बुधवारा नॉर्वेचे एम्बेसेडरान सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटा संदर्भात मंत्री लोबो आणि मुखेलमंत्र्याची भेट घेतली. गोयची टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि नॉर्वेची टेक्नॉलॉजी या संदर्भात या भेटीन चर्चा झाली. RDX खातीर परवरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I think it was very productive. We were discussing issues about waste management and what to do with waste. And I think we had very quick and frank exchange of views and needs and share information about what are the needs and what is the actual technology. So it's been one of the most efficient meetings I've had in the last days. We didn't waste very much time.
So technology will be shared for the mixed garbage segregation. How would
it's that is what need to be looked into, because we have technology which is well proven in our country, and the Honourable Minister, Mr. Lobo, has been to Norway and also looked into that. But no two countries are alike. For instance, we do have very different climates in Norway and India. So we need to look into how this can be adapted in the best possible manner.
What about the land? How much land required for this plant?
That those questions you need to ask Mr.
Technical team.
The technical team. I will not prescribe a certain solution. I'm not an engineer who can tell you exactly how it's going to do. I'm just helping establish the contacts between the technical groups in Norway and Goa.
Okay. So what would be the understandings like technical understandings between the exchange of technology? So how it would be done?
Well, it's doing by actually having delegation visiting as we did to Norway, finding what are the opportunities when it comes to technology. Then we need to have the engineers coming and look into how it can be adapted. And this is a process where you need to actually take the time necessary. But the interest for cooperating is there, and the know-how is there. So exactly how it will end up, that is a go-on decision.
Ambassador, this is a routine. The Norwegian ambassador is discussing about the solid waste management plant. त्याच्याबद्दल त्यांची टेक्नॉलॉजी कशी, आमची टेक्नॉलॉजी कशी आसा, अपग्रेड कितें करूं शकता हाजेर एक डिस्कशन आशिल्लें. ऑल द वे आमचो RDA मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबो थंयसर वचून आयलो. सो त्या खातीर एक डिस्कशन आनी काय नाशिल्लें.
The Honourable Ambassador is here that both these countries, Norway and India, where on our Prime Minister vision which is there of exchange of technology, make in India, so all these things to get finally accomplished and to see the light of the day. Honorable Ambassador has come that our visit which was there to study incineration technology for waste management in Norway. The name of the company was Fortune, and Sintef, who is affiliated with government of Norway, to see that all these technologies are being adopted by us over here.